Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can unsync OneDrive on Windows 11. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop on my computer, and this is how the homepage looks like. So basically guys, the first thing that you need to do guys is open the File Explorer. If you don't find this right here in your desktop, just go to the Start menu and then search for File Explorer. Once you find it, go ahead and click on Open. And then you're going to be right here in this page. Here in the left, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find Home, Gallery. Right here you're going to find OneDrive and so on. Right now, go ahead and right click on OneDrive. And right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to copy it. Here you're going to find expand, open in a new tab, open a new window, and so on. Here you're going to find always keep on this device, free up space, and right here you're going to find OneDrive. So right now, go ahead and click on OneDrive. And then right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to view OneDrive online. Here you're going to find settings. And lastly, right here, you're going to find color. So right now, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, here in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find sync and backup. Right here, you're going to find account, notifications, and lastly, about. So right now, what you need to do, guys, is go to account. And then here, the first thing that you need to do, guys, is unlink this PC. Click on it, and then they're going to ask you, are you sure about that? Go ahead and click on unlink account. And then after that, if you want to stop syncing, make sure you go to sync and backup section and then disable these two options right here. After that, go to this option right here, backup important PC folders to OneDrive, click on manage backup, and then make sure you disable all of these options, click on save changes, and then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.